Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to BECKY'S kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make vitamin C boost juice. So stay tuned and let's get started. Vitamin C juice is ready. Let's give it a try. But if you have watched to this extent, guys, and you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and let's get on together. Wow, that is pretty protein juice. I love the grape, ginger, lime, lemon, orange, cucumber. Wow, this is the sensation way to boost your immune system. Stay healthy with your vitamin C intake from BECKY'S kitchen. See you in our next one. Bye.